Meet the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, the ultimate all-in-one pool cleaning robot that provides a professional-grade clean without the hassle. Today, we dive into a smart pool cleaning innovation that redefines maintenance. Tired of tangled hoses, manual vacuuming, and limited robotic cleaners? This one's for you. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Right out of the box, you can feel that the Scuba X1 Pro Max means business. The unit itself has a sleek, futuristic design with a robust build and stylish contours that scream premium engineering. Included inside, the Scuba X1 Pro Max Robotic Cleaner, a cordless charging dock, a detailed user manual, cleaning tools for filter maintenance, and a neatly packed set of accessories for operation and support. Everything is neatly organized and well packaged, and honestly, it's one of the most well-presented robot cleaners we've tested. It aligns with Aiper's mission, bringing vacation home, turning your backyard into a stress-free oasis. Unmatched cleaning power. Now let's talk about performance, because specs on paper are one thing, but this machine delivers where it counts. 8,500 gallons per hour of suction power. Let that sink in. This is the strongest suction rate in the industry, powered by 9 separate motors. Whether you're dealing with fine sand, algae, or just daily debris, this beast doesn't just clean, it deep cleans. The heart of this power lies in Aiper's micromesh ultra-fine filtration system. It doesn't just collect large debris, it filters out microscopic particles that regular pool vacuums leave behind. That means your pool water looks cleaner, feels softer, and stays fresher, without chemicals working overtime. Intelligent cleaning system. Let's move from muscle to brain. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is equipped with 40 high-precision sensors, powered by OmniSense Plus 2.0. What does that mean in real-world terms? This machine can detect slopes, platforms, stairs, and edges, mapping your pool intelligently rather than following a blind path. And it doesn't stop there. With FlexiPath 2.0 and a quad-core chip, it adapts in real time. If your pool has complex architecture, curves, or drop-offs, the X1 Pro Max won't skip or repeat areas unnecessarily. It chooses the fastest, most efficient route every time. That's not just smart, that's time saved and energy well spent. Complete all-in-one cleaning. Most robotic cleaners are great for floors, or sometimes for walls, but rarely for everything. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is designed for true all-in-one cleaning. Floors, scrubbing and vacuuming debris with precision. Walls and waterline, climbing vertically and scrubbing with pressure. Pool surface skimming, thanks to floating suction systems. Platform and slope detection, ensuring every inch is cleaned. With 6 adaptive cleaning paths and 5+3 custom modes, you can fine-tune your pool's cleaning profile, from a quick daily sweep to a deep weekend scrub. It's not just comprehensive, it's customizable. Battery and cordless charging. One of the biggest problems with older robotic cleaners? Cords. The Scuba X1 Pro Max is completely cordless, both in operation and charging. That's right, even the charging system is wireless, making it safer, cleaner, and much more convenient. With a runtime of up to 10 hours for surface cleaning, this is ideal for both regular and occasional pool owners. Whether you've got a party coming up or just want daily upkeep, it won't need a recharge mid-job. Conclusion. That's a wrap on our hands-on review of the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. If you're looking for a serious upgrade to your pool routine, one that's powerful, intelligent, and requires almost zero manual effort, this might just be your next favorite gadget. We love its design, its suction power, its advanced navigation, and the fact that it gives you back your time. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.